The modality principle, what is it? According to the cognitive theory of multimedia learning, people have separate information processing channels, auditory and visual. By definition, multimedia involves the use of speech, pictures, and printed text or a combination thereof. What does this mean for learning? Well, when on-screen text in the form of printed words are used with graphics or pictures, this can overload the visual channel of processing, making learning difficult. The idea of the modality principle is to let the learner, quote, focus on the visual while listening to the explanation, end quote. Because the visual channel can easily be overloaded, the modality principle states that printed words in the form of on-screen text can be replaced by narration when the graphic is complex and is the focus of the presentation. As designers of learning, and in this case specifically multimedia learning, we have to ask ourselves some questions as we prepare our presentations. Are we using graphics and are they the focus of our presentation? Is the graphic complex? Is it presented simultaneously to the message? If so, narration may best help with learning. Eye tracking studies support the modality principle. In these studies, learners were able to better learn about technical processes when animation was used with narration as opposed to identical on screen text. They were more engaged with the graphics described in the lessons and spent more time looking at the graphics. They were able to better transfer their knowledge on subsequent questions. To conclude, we must ask ourselves, when does the modality principle apply? The modality principle applies when the graphics used in the presentation are complex and the graphics themselves are the focus of the lesson. When text and graphics are simultaneous, when the lesson is fast paced and the words used to describe the graphics are familiar to the learner. The narration must be direct and given in short segments, and the modality principle most strongly applies when the learner is new to the material and may be low in working memory. These are boundary conditions. Reference for this presentation is Clark and Mayer's E-Learning and the Science of Instruction.